Conventional welding and milling heads quickly reach their limits in standard material processing of metals, especially when it involves very thick or brittle metals. This is where laser technology is increasingly coming into its own. Schulz-Electronic has come up with an innovative fiber laser which is already in serial production, but which facilitates processing in situations where arc-based welding or mechanical milling heads are no longer effective.
The requests on drivers for operating a fiber laser in the kilowatt region is to have a supplyment system that can deliver currents up to 20 amps and a voltage up to 55 volts, due to the fact that several single chips are most times driven in series. We developed such a kind of driver together with Dr. Schulz-Electronic. The result is a module that can be even driven at buck boost mode. This means that the compliance voltage can be even higher than the input voltage.
The system enables the use of low-cost standard voltage sources, which can even be used to supply several drivers switched in parallel. Schulz-Electronic is your trusted partner offering custom concepts for complex projects and developments. The company works closely with its customers to give them specific, tailored solutions for their projects. Schulz-Electronic provides gold standard service with high-level on-site support and test equipment, maintenance engineering, and professional repairs. Find out more at www.schulz-electronic.de and drive a successful project.